I never wanted to leave things on this note. Never in my life. I never. I think this is, like when you have a good time with someone, you don't destroyed it by leaving it in a bad terms. Okay, you leave it in a good terms, like yeah, fine, it's okay to have someone else, it's okay, whatever. I'll try my best till the last thing that all this shit ends in a good terms. Okay, all these things doesn't ruin the past for me. Whenever you think about the past, I don't want to cry because oh my god. No, whenever I rehearse the past in my mind, I should be happy. I was like, yeah, it was a nice time. That was so good. All of that. But that person, of a person, ruined it till I am not able to make sense of the shit he does. Now I'm a person that I don't want it to be. I'm a person who hates that person, like literally hate, full on hate. Like I'm imagining the scenario that shit's going to happen to him, like very precise. Not like he's gonna be ruined, his life is gonna be ruined and blah. No, no, no. I'm being very precise that after 10 years this is gonna happen. After 15, I am being very precise with my revenge. Obviously, I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna be involved in it. But I know this is gonna happen to him because he is a shit of a person. But the point is, I am not that person who cursed people or all of that. I'm not. I never even wanted to be. I'm always a person who's like, yeah, that's fine. People have their life. They can be. But how much of you can use or you can take advantage of someone's good heart? Like I even feel I don't say this kind of a thing that oh I'm such a good person and I always be happy to be the bad person. I'm like everyone, but I have to explain it now because I'm not a very bad person from my heart. Like, yeah, my brain is like a bitch, but my heart is like very angelish shit. Okay. And I'm okay. I'm happy that I have this kind of heart. I never even hated, oh, I'll believe people. No, my brain take care of the shit. But I never hate people. I never carry the hate. I never carry the burden that, okay, this person is, you know. But that guy, he pushed me to the limits that now I precisely have that plan that this is gonna happen with him, then this, then this, then that. Okay. And I hate myself whenever I think of it. But even though I don't like the idea of me being, that kind of a me putting a curse on some, not even a curse, but saying bad thing for someone. But I still not wanted to take that bad. I was like, yeah, I am feeling bad for saying this, but that gonna happen. Or maybe worse than this gonna happen, but not less. How selfish a person can be, he showed me that. How shit of a person can be, he showed. He can justify all of his act with anyone, okay, because he has his reason, whatever. With me, all these years, after all the shit that you done, you still do that to me. And what? And it's not about, oh, he doesn't love me, that's why his life is gonna be ruined. No, 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 that's so simplified. Nah, nah. He doesn't even think of others people when it's come to his own benefit. Like if he even need this much of a blood, okay, like a drop of blood, he gonna shoot a bullet in the person's heart. He doesn't care that oh it's just gonna kill that person. No, he needs a drop, he's gonna take it. It doesn't matter to him. And that's the selfishness that I hate in people. I don't like it when human doesn't act like human. Human does act like, oh, they are a god or something, or they're superior to something. I can understand that you have to take care of yourself first. But as I give you an example, you need a drop of blood and you kill someone for it without thinking that person is gonna be dead just because you need a drop. You can just put a little bit of what you call it, needle, and you get that blood. But no, you don't care. You need the blood, doesn't matter anymore. It's not even like that you are dying because of that one drop. No, it's not even that the case. It's just that you think you need that, so you're just gonna kill someone for that. And that's the shit I hate. That's the shit yeah, it just ruined the perspective for me for forever. I never thought I hate people because it's like carrying a grudges. It's like carrying the emotions that the wasteful. It's that wasteful times. But some people, and it's not just him, there are few people that are just out of my life because they are the shit of the people. They are so selfish. They are so like, you can, you can do the change the directions, the mountains, you build the castles for the people, but they just gonna put you in a jail just because there is a one rock missing in the castle. They don't give a fuck that you built the castle by with your own hands. There's one rock miss. That kind of a shit people are all out of my life now. I don't care. You guys, actually, before that, I'm a person, I fight at a moment, and then after that, I forgot that there's a fight. There is, because we are a family, we're friends, and all of that. We're people, that's fine. But no. You guys are shit. Like actual shit. Not like you guys are actual shit. And it's scary that you're still being so into yeah, just people. No, you're not. You're selfish, and not in a very cool way. Yeah, you're selfish. No, 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 no. In a very devilish way, you guys are selfish. In a very devilish way, you guys are selfish. You are not, like we use narcissist, selfish in a cool tone because that's Gen Z. You guys are actually devilish kind of that. The negative emotions that we use, na selfish, narcissist. You guys are bad. And you, obviously, they didn't come to my face directly because I'll cut them from me. You don't know me. I'm bit. But the point is, sorry. But the point is, you guys are so, you take advantage of a people. If there's somebody tell you like that you're my fan and all of that, you take advantage of the people till the last you can. And how sad it is. How sad. Like you don't even feel shame inside your heart, like, oh, I fucked up. Huh? You don't? That's sad. And yeah, out of the way, out of the life. Everyone, I don't care. But yeah, I don't like being this kind of a person at the end of the day. I don't like being rigid. I don't like carrying this thought that, oh, people are actually bad. People are actually took advantage of you. I don't like it. But I still want every bad thing to happen to him as I planned. Maybe worse than that if that possible, but not less. So yeah. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna post it on online. It's gonna be on record. Yeah. Happy